Friends, do you know that it takes 6 months to make a car of Bugatti? And do you know that every car of Tesla is made with the help of robots? Plus, have you ever thought how to make a Lamborghini car in the factory? Well, in today's video, I will show you the manufacturing process of the world's most expensive cars. So let's begin. Lamborghini. Lamborghini is one of the most attractive and cool cars in the world. This is an Italian car, which is manufactured in the city of Italy in Emilia. If we talk about building this car inside the factory, then it is a beautiful car. It is a very complicated process. For this, first of all, the designers make a sketch of the entire car through digital drawing, in which one thing of the car is drawn in detail. After that, the manufacturing work of the car starts. For this, the first thing to be done is to select the leather used in the car. This leather is of very high quality. Seats, steering, and handles are prepared with its help. Even for this work, 5 leather experts are called, who work very hard to stitch it. If we talk about welding or combining the parts of Lamborghini, then this work is done with the help of a special robot. This robot carefully assembles each and every part of the car, the material used to make the Lamborghini. These include carbon fiber, aluminum, and titanium, etc. And all these materials are quite expensive. When its body is ready, after joining all the parts, after that, the alignment of the car is checked with a laser. In simple words, with the help of this laser, the car becomes so smooth that its joints are not even visible. Well, when the interior of the car is ready, the outer structure is fixed on the exterior. The interesting thing is that this exterior is completely checked with a laser projector before getting on the car, so that it can be fixed with high accuracy. Even the engineers pull every page of this structure with their hands and apply it with full care. Along with this, logos and signatures are also applied to the car. After that, the Lamborghini is prepared and sent for testing. Well, the Lamborghini car is expensive and beautiful, but its manufacturing process is also very satisfying. Bugatti. Friends, it is one of the most expensive and luxurious cars in the world, and it has a world record for being the fastest car. The price of a Bugatti car is more than $3.5 million. But do you know how Bugatti is manufactured in the factory? Well, first of all, Bugatti is manufactured in the city of France, Malaysia. To make this car, engineers, technicians, designers, and mechanics work together. And to make a car, at least 20 workers work together. Despite this, the car is made after 6 months. This car has a total of 2,600 parts, 90% of which are totally handmade. Each part of it is made by hand. If we talk about the internal body of the car, it is made of high-quality carbon, aluminum, magnesium, and titanium. Inside the car, all the signatures, logos, and badges, etc. are fixed. They are all made by hand. In addition, Bugatti seats are made of pure leather. And the interesting thing is that the workers sew them with their hands. The driver's cabin in the car is made of fully carbon fiber. Below this, the cables that control the entire car are placed, and you won't believe that these cables are 2.5 kilometers long, and each of these wires is fixed by the workers with their hands. After this comes the turn of the car's engine. Bugatti has the most main component engine, which takes thousands of hours to make and test. Bugatti's engineers say that every step from the body of the engine to its fixing is very complicated. Even when the engine is fixed, its sound is tested by turning it on through large speakers so that the sound of the engine can be checked that there is no difference in it. Bugatti's tires are designed in such a way that when this car runs at its full speed, its tires rotate exactly 5 times in a second. Well, when the body of this car is ready, an external cover is applied to it. This cover is first painted by painters, then carefully fixed on the body of the car with the help of hands. Another fun thing is that when this car is made, it is hired by car racers to test it on the road, and the world's most expert drivers do the testing of this car. When its driving test is completed, then after 6 months, this car is ready to be sold in the market. Anyway, whatever it is, its manufacturing process is really very complicated.